Now at the top of our Instant Index tonight is that apology from Subway. Fans of the footlong sandwich, you may recall, reported that some of those sandwiches are falling short by 1 inch, 11 inches, not 12 inches long. Well, today, Subway said they are sorry and they're redoubling their efforts to ensure consistency and correct length in every sandwich they serve. And patrons will still be getting out their rulers. Proving sometimes nice guys do finish first, a big day for our friend Jimmy Kimmel, who received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame today.
My parents brought me here to Hollywood to visit the Walk of Fame when I was 10 years old, and I never imagined that they would leave me here to fend for myself, and I will never forgive them for that.
Well, last night, some of Kimmel's friends on his show decided to have a little fun at his expense, and that's Matt Damon hijacking the show. Congratulations on today, James. And something else tonight. This just in.
What's love got to do with it?
The indomitable Tina Turner announcing today that she's giving up her U.S. passport in order to become a Swiss citizen. Turner was born in Nutbush, Tennessee, but has lived in Switzerland for more than 15 years. She explained the new move saying, quote, "I'm very happy living in Switzerland. I feel at home here. I could not imagine a better place to live."